Jewelers don't want you to know this simple home trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish due to natural chemical processes. With proper care, however, your silver items can remain in perfect condition. Here's the secret. Take a small bowl and pour in a little water. Add a small amount of regular toothpaste. Make sure it's not whitening and doesn't contain abrasive particles. Mix well until combined. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda, which neutralizes the unpleasant odor of oxidized silver and brightens it further. Mix until you get a paste-like consistency. Apply this mixture to your tarnished jewelry and gently clean it using a sponge. Afterward, rinse the jewelry in a bowl of warm water to remove any residue. Dry the silver with a soft cloth and gently polish it for extra shine. This combination of ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally treated. Even the tiniest crevices will sparkle again, and your jewelry will look brand new. Here's how to clean white shoes. If you're unsure how to clean white sneakers, this video is for you. This method also works for white trainers. Since I started using this mixture, I no longer buy expensive shoe cleaners from the store. You'll be amazed by how well it works. You can make this cleaner with ingredients you already have at home. With just a few items, you'll get great results. First, get a bowl. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt, stains, and lightly whitening the shoes. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mixture. Vinegar softens the water, making the detergents more effective. The mixture will start to fizz, which is normal. Stir everything thoroughly. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix it all again. Your new shoe cleaning solution is ready. Cleaning with this mixture is simple. Dip a soft shoe cleaning brush into the solution and gently scrub your white shoes. This homemade mixture works best if you leave it on the shoes for a while. Wipe off the excess with a cloth and scrub the shoes again, especially the soles. You'll easily remove all stains and dirt. Your white sneakers will look like new. Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. A scorched iron is a nightmare, but I have a brilliant solution. Your iron will look like new. It will remove limescale, residue, and even significant scorch marks. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste is an excellent polishing agent for many appliances. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour a shot of vinegar into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Now, turn on the iron and wait until it gets hot. Once it's heated, take a regular small sponge and dip it into the mixture. Use the rough side of the sponge to clean the iron. After a few strokes, the iron will start to shine like new. Look how well it presses fabrics now. Your iron will glide smoothly over clothes, making ironing faster and easier. This simple trick can save your iron, extend its lifespan, and keep it in perfect working condition. You won't need to buy a new one, so you'll save a lot of money. Your sandwich maker will be clean in seconds, without the tedious scrubbing of burnt residue. If you're wondering how to clean your sandwich maker quickly and effectively, this method is for you. Any sandwich lover uses their sandwich maker frequently, but cleaning it isn't as enjoyable. If the sandwich maker is used often, it becomes increasingly difficult to clean. Some people even stop using it because they don't know how to clean it properly. But the solution is very simple. Next time your sandwich maker gets dirty, use the paper towel trick. Every sandwich maker manual should mention this cleaning method. And it's not just about wiping the surface with a paper towel. You need to use it in a rather unusual way. Tear off a few pieces of paper towel. Prepare a bowl of water. Dip the paper towel pieces into the water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now spread these pieces of paper towel on the sandwich maker. They can overlap. Close the sandwich maker and turn it on for a few minutes. The high temperature and steam from the water will loosen the burnt residue. The paper towels will absorb all the dirt. Use kitchen tongs to remove them. Gently wipe the surface of the sandwich maker with the damp paper towels, and you're done. Trick to make your entire kitchen shine. Metal pots, bowls, and elements on various equipment will regain their shine. This way, you will remove all stains and streaks from metal dishes. Steel will look like new. You can recommend this method to friends and family. Pour a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. Our grandmothers often used starch to clean various surfaces. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for removing greasy stains. Pour a measure of laundry detergent. Add 1 measure of dishwashing liquid. Pour a glass of water. Mix everything together. These products are excellent for removing various stains and will deal with streaks and stains on steel elements. Pour the mixture into a measuring cup and using a funnel, pour it into a bottle with a spout. It can be an empty bottle from the previous dishwashing liquid. You can use this liquid immediately to clean metal elements in kitchen equipment. Just use a small amount of liquid and wipe the equipment with a cloth, then wipe dry with a towel. You will quickly notice that the steel becomes shiny. Stains and streaks disappear. You can also clean a metal kettle with it. Without scrubbing, it will be shiny as new in a few seconds. This liquid keeps all my pots clean. They are shiny like new.